Look how big the space is. I'm Paul Hasleham, Head of Design at GÉANT, and we've arrived in Brighton to check out the TNC venue. The Brighton Dome was inspired by Indian architecture and originally designed for stables for royalty at the time. It then became a corn exchange and then a concert venue. Hendrix, Bowie, Pink Floyd and ABBA played at the venue. The site inspection is really important for design teams. It gives us the chance to brand this really lovely space. Every year it's a challenge because every venue is different. We need to come up with ideas for people to enjoy and navigate the space. This is also a great moment to meet the other guys from behind the scenes, the technical teams at PSNC and Norginet.
Hello, I am Bartek from PSNC. What is the biggest challenge? Well, it seems that we already completed all major arrangements already now. Good collaboration with the venue and PCO, as well as smooth arrangements of all topics, allow us to concentrate on every technical detail and show rundown.
This is the TNC exchange. As you can see at the moment, it's going to look nothing like this. There's going to be booths, refreshment stations and a demo area. So we need to use all our creativity here. And over there behind the windows will be the community hub with meetups and demos. We're on our way back to Cambridge now after a long day in Brighton. The design team can start creating all the signage, animations and posters ready to welcome you in June. Stay tuned and check the TNC website for updates.